Hi guys, how are you? I hope that you are fine. Stay at home, stay healthy. Okay, today I would like to explain about the format for final and receipt examination. Okay, this video can be considered as revision class for current intakes, which is April 2019 and May 2019. uh, and for those who want to receive on coming exam, this video also can be considered as remedial class. Okay, so let's look here. You have subject code FSC PHY 134, subject physics 2. Okay, format for exam, you have mixed mode exam. Okay, I'm sure that you already know that you have online examination, okay, for all subjects also, okay, in semester 3, okay. Examination date for Physics 2 on 3rd May, okay, 2020. The online examination, okay, will be starting at 3 p.m. Okay, you can refer it if you are in Malaysia. Okay, so you have a different time, okay, zone. It depend on your place. Okay, you can refer here. Duration of time for your online examination is 2.5 hours plus 24 hours. What the meaning here? 2.5 hours, which is referred to section A and section B, and take home exam duration time is 24 hours. Okay, platform of online examination is learning management system LMS. So make sure you don't have any problem with the LMS. You can log in, you can log out. Okay, and also the internet connection must make sure is um, strength, your internet connection. Okay, let's read here the format. Okay, for physics 2 you have mixed mode exam. Okay, you have online and take home exam. You have three sections: section A, section B, and section C. Section A is multiple choice question MCQ. This section contains 20 questions and each question is valued at 1 mark. Okay. Section B is the structure question, or you have a short answer question. This section contains 3 questions and each question is valued at 10 marks. Okay. So you have online exam, section A, online exam, also section B. Okay, how about the section C? Section C is an essay or application question. This section contains 10 marks and considered as a take-home exam. Okay, so 20 marks plus 30 marks for section B. And then you have another 10 marks for section C. Total marks is equal to 60 marks. Okay, is it okay for this format? We have a mixed mode exam, online exam, and take home exam. Okay, next, for section C, okay, is an essay or application question. Okay, there is a Trinity report to check plagiarism. Okay, the deduction of mark is based on Trinity report. Okay, you can see the rubric. Okay, for the Trinity report, if you got Trinity report is 100%. Okay, we will deduct deduction of mark is 5 marks. Okay, so here if you have your Trinity report, the range is 90 to 99%, deduction mark of 4 marks. Okay, next, deduction of 3 marks if your territory point is the range 71 to 90%. Okay, the deduction of 2 marks. Okay, when you have your territory point is in the range 51 to 70%. Okay, deduction of 1 mark if your territory point is in the range 31 to 50% to 50%. Okay, so how do we evaluate the student based on sanitary report? Okay, remember for section C, the total mark is 10 marks. Okay, let's say for the final mark for this section, you got 5 marks. Okay, then your sanitary report, okay, deduction is equal to 2 because of your sanitary report. Okay, here you have your percentage is in this range 51 to 70%. Okay, so 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So the total marks, okay, for section C is for you, you got 3 marks. Okay, for physics 2 subject here. Okay, you may have a question for the calculation. You have a question which is you need to calculate, you need to show the calculation part. Okay, for that one I will check manually, don't worry. Okay, but when you have a part of the essay or the application question for this section, still we need to go for the Trinity report. Okay, is it okay? Okay, next for SEM 3, okay, you have 4 groups. Okay, for 4 group, okay, for section A, section B, okay, which is online examination. We will set through the Google form, so you need to do your online examination for section A and section B through the using Google form. Okay, the link is in LMS. Okay. Next, let's read the latest. Okay, for your final examination, also look for your receipt. For those who want to receipt on the coming exam. Section A, MCQ. We have 20 questions, 20 marks. Okay, include chapter 4 till chapter 9. Okay, for section A, you don't have chapter 1, you don't have chapter 2, you don't have a chapter 3. Okay, section B, you have a structured question, you have short answer question. Okay, question 1, you have chapter 4 and chapter 6. Remember what is the chapter 4? You have a physical optic chapter 4 and chapter 6 capacitor and the dielectric. Total is 10 marks. Okay. Question 2 is from chapter 5. Okay. Electrostatic. The mark is 10 marks. Okay. Question 3, you have chapter 7, electricity. Chapter 8, electromagnetism. Okay, and chapter 9, alternating current. Okay, it's equal to 10 marks. Okay, why I highlight the question 3 with the red color? Okay, this one is not fixed. Okay, you may have a question for question 3, only chapter 7, or you have only chapter 8, or you have a mix, chapter 8 and chapter 9. But the total is equal to 10 marks. Understand or not? Okay. So question 3, you may have a question 7, only or you have a question from chapter 8 and chapter 9, or you have a question from chapter 8 only. Okay, so for question 3, you may have question, okay, you may have a problem question from chapter 7 to chapter 9. Okay, for section C, essay or application question, okay, it's include chapter 7 or chapter 8. Why I highlight on question this question, okay, because of it's not fixed also. You may have chapter 7 or you may have chapter 8 only. Okay, so the total mark is 10 marks. Okay, is it okay or not? Okay, okay. Let's look let me go through to the take home examination. Okay, for take home examination, it's similar like if you want to submit, okay, the assignment, okay, or the tutorial question through the LMS, okay. So for the take home examination, okay, for physics 2 subject, duration time is 24 hours, okay, starting from 3 p.m. Okay, and we will finish on 3 p.m. Okay, instruction to the candidate. Okay, you need to download the examination question paper. Okay, paper file in the LMS. Okay, when the examination start. Okay, that's why we give extra. Okay, for the online examination, 2.5 hours. Okay, because you need to download the examination question paper. Okay, next, write your answer clearly. Second, you need to write your answer clearly using a ball pen on a plain paper. Okay, A4 paper, or you may also type if you want. Okay, no need to stay online during answer period. Okay, but please be alert with the end time for submission. Okay, this examination paper consists of one question. Okay, next, make sure the following details are written on each page: your student ID, your postcode, sub question number if you got sub question number, and page number. Okay, if you more than one page. Okay, and then questions start from page 2. Okay, one finish, use the tab scanner application that has been installed on your phone to snap pictures and save it as PDF. Please, okay, convert if you write in your picture, if you write or typing in your Word, please convert to PDF file. Okay, the document must consist all page, not a single page document. Please make sure that the scanned image clear enough. Okay, clear enough for marking purpose. If your type answer, please save it in PDF format. Okay, next, 7, rename your document. Okay, as follow. Okay, your student ID and then space, course code, space, course name, space, group. Okay, because you need to submit based on your group. Okay, And then you need to upload the answer in PDF format in submission folder. Example, we create the folder like submission FSC PHY 134 Physics 2 take home exam group A. So you, for those who are from group A, you need to submit on this folder. Okay, submit your answer within the exam time frame. So you have 24 hours. Okay, you are advised not to wait until the last minute of submission. Fail to submit within the given time frame will be considered as absent without reason. Okay, so section C, total mark is 10 marks. Okay, next, let's look the question. Okay, model exam paper. So I already uploaded the model exam paper set A in the LMS. Okay, you can download and please try this model exam paper. Okay, later I will upload another set. Okay, set B in the LMS. Okay, this is actually if you refer to this paper, it's like the previous examination. Okay, so please ignore the some part. Okay, so I just want to show you. Okay, and focus on the pattern. Okay, for your final exam or recent exam. Okay, here still here you have section A, section B, and section C. Okay, total mark is 60 mark. Okay, for section A, again, topic include from chapter 4 until chapter 9. Okay, so here you have a mixed question. Okay, for this session is through the Google form. So the question will shuffle. Okay, so please click with the on the correct answer. Okay, you may have a concept question. Okay, but almost question is calculation part. Okay, for section A, or 90% or 95% is the calculation question. Okay, for section A. Okay, please answer by using the correct formula and also the unit. Okay, one of the tips here, please remember if you have a term of the micro, okay, nano, please convert to the SI unit first before you substitute into your formula. Okay, substitute into your equation. Okay, next section B, you have a structured question or the short answer question. Okay, question 1 include chapter 4 and 6 here. So here, in your model exam paper, set A, you have 5 questions from chapter 4, another 5 question, another 5 marks from chapter 6. So question 1, you have chapter 4, you have chapter 6. Okay. Let's say you have a calculation question. From this question, from this section, section B, okay, no need to show your calculation, the step, the working, okay, because this is, you need to key in the final answer in your Google form, okay, in your short answer. So you need to key in the final answer. Okay, I will give the hint. Let's say you need to write or you need to key in the final answer in 2 decimal point. Okay, so please, okay, follow the instruction. Okay, or you have a short or answer. Okay, let's say it's talking about the direction. Okay, let's say question 2. Question 2 is from chapter 5. Okay, remember chapter 5, the most important is talking about the direction, magnitude and direction. Okay, for the force, for the electric field E, but not for the direction is not the direction is not for the um, potential, electric potential and the electric potential energy. Okay, let's say you have a question. State the direction of your first charge due to the second charge. Okay, your short answer to the right or to the left. Okay, so one word. So you can write right or left. Okay, or you have answer up or down. So you need to key in that the word. Okay. So question 2, you have chapter 5. Okay. Let's do chapter 4. Chapter 4 here, the question. Okay. Just let's do some of the revision. Okay. For physical optic chapter 4, you need to remember you have a three part young Damson experiment, diffraction by single slit, diffraction by grating. Okay. So you need to remember the formula for each part. Okay, chapter 6. Okay, you have a capacitor and the dielectric. Less of the concept, but you have a lot of formula. Please remember the formula for the capacitor, for the capacitor in the parallel plate. Okay, uh, charging and discharging process formula. Okay, what is the process during the charging? What happened to your charge when you have a charging process? What happened to your charge when you have discharging process? Okay, chapter 5 again, direction and magnitude and direction. Okay, for the force, for the electric field, you have a formula. Don't confuse. Okay, you have a formula for the force between the two charge, which is related to the Coulomb's law. Okay, and then you have a formula for the electric field E. You have a formula for the electric potential, and then you have a formula for the electric potential energy. Okay. Remember, okay, when let's say for this question, question 2B, okay, you want to calculate the electric potential. For the electric potential, no need to consider the direction, but you need to consider the sign of your charge when you want to calculate the electric potential. Okay, let's say here you have a negative charge. Okay, on this corner. Okay, negative 0.02 microcoulomb. So the negative sign you need to consider in your calculation. So your answer may have a negative sign, the final answer. Okay, so you need to consider the sign on each charge. Okay, and you want to substitute into your equation, into your formula. Okay, let's look the next question. Next question, question 3. Okay, remember you may have a question from chapter 7 or chapter 8 or chapter 9, or you have mixed all three chapter. Okay, so question 3 here for your model exam paper, I have a question from chapter 8. Okay, magnetic field, and then here you have the chapter 7, so they want you to calculate the resistance, current, and then magnetic field to calculate the maximum torque. Okay, for electric city, you have a electric current, you have a direct current. Please remember the formula of your electric current. Okay, formula drift velocity, formula for the resistivity of wire. Okay, conductivity. Okay, for direct current, series and parallel connection, you need to remember, you need to know to differentiate between the concept, between the series and the parallel. What happened to your total of your current? What happened to the voltage or the potential different across each resistor? Okay, how to calculate the total of your resistance in the series or in parallel connection circuit. Okay, for chapter 8, okay, magnetic field, the magnetic field line, okay, Fleming left hand rule, circular motion of your charged particle, okay, when you place in the magnetic field B, the torque, okay. Last part, for magnetic field 8.1, you have a charged particle move in the straight line. When you apply magnetic field and electric field together, you have a formula, and then you need to understand, you need to know how to apply the concept for the electric field and the magnetic field B. Okay, and also the electromagnetic induction. Okay, the electromagnetic induction formula. Okay, the formula of the magnetic flux. Okay, here I have chapter 9. Okay, 3 marks. Okay, here you have RC circuit. Okay, so when you have resistance of your resistor and the capacity of the capacitor, capacitance of the capacitor, so you need to consider in your calculation to calculate the impedance. After that, apply the formula for the impedance like the Ohm's law to calculate the IRMS. Okay, you have your IRMS in alternating current, alternating voltage. You don't have the IRMS in the direct current. Okay, next section C, take home exam. Okay, for this question, you may have an essay question and application question. Okay, example here, you want you have a chapter 7 electricity. Okay, remember, for section C, you may have a question from chapter 7, or you may have a question problem from chapter 8. Okay, and also you may have a question which is you need to solve the problem, the question, you need to show the calculation part. Okay, okay, let's look this question for the essay question. Okay, it's more to give one example each of an ohmic conductor and non-ohmic conductor. Okay, so one question for each uh, type of ohmic conductor and non-ohmic conductor. Okay, question 2, A2. Okay, here describe briefly an experiment to determine whether a conductor is an ohmic conductor or non-ohmic conductor. Explain how the data collected is used to make the deduction. Okay, example, you need to remember. Okay, first you need to understand what is the concept you need to apply. When talking about the ohmic conductor or non-ohmic conductor, is talking about the Ohm's law. Okay, so go back to the electricity concept. So how to show that your conductor, okay, follow the obey the Ohm's law or not obey the Ohm's law. Okay, so you found that you have a graph, right? So what is the keyword? Okay, what is the important in your graph? You must have your voltage and your current. So you can write your answer. Okay, you must have a difference of your voltage value. Okay, and then also you must have current value. Okay, apply different voltage V across the conductor and measure the current I in it. Okay, so you have a data for your voltage, you have a data for your current. Okay, and then plot. Okay, second, you need to explain, you need to plot a graph of V versus current. Okay, so from the graph, if the graph is the straight line, so you need to see the result. Okay, so data collected and then what happened? Okay, from the plotting graph, okay, if the graph is a straight line through the origin, the conductor is ohmic. Okay, ohmic conductor. Otherwise, the conductor is not ohmic. If not, you don't get the straight line graph. Okay, so you need to explain. You need to relate with the concept. Okay, for next question, I have a calculation. It's talking about the circuit. Okay, so you need to show the calculation on your answer sheet. Okay. Okay, wishing you success in your exam. Okay, if you have a question, if you have a problem, let me know. You can text through WhatsApp, okay, or in Messenger, through the Messenger, okay, or through the email. Okay, thank you.